Okay, so I'm going to show you my video that I made on EdPuzzle about how to master some basic cooking skills for my future foods class.
Of salmon. Beautiful.
Pay attention to Gordon Ramsay's skills that he's going to teach you with the last two of this video and answer the questions that follow.
It's far harder working in the kitchen with a blunt knife than it is with a sharp knife. The secret behind keeping a sharp knife, sharpen it before and every time you use it. First, grip the steel. Feel really comfortable about holding the steel. Imagine you're holding a tennis racket or you're playing squash. You've got to be really comfortable with it. Now, 45 degrees, confident grip with the knife. This is the butt of the steel. Really important to keep your fingers behind that. You never grip a steel with your fingers over that, because the knife comes back in, you've just lost a finger. Always grip behind.
Okay, so I would have them answer the question. So you should hold the sharpening tool like a tennis racket, which is true. And then what angle do you sharpen the knife at? And he said 45 degrees, and I would say submit. And look at that. Okay, so let's continue.
Nice long strokes so we get the whole of the blade over the steel. Stroke. And we start from the bottom to the top. So there, across. There, across. Slow strokes over the top of the steel. And then come back underneath. Then back underneath. It is so dangerous working in the kitchen with a blunt knife. You can cause so much damage. Working with a sharp knife is 10 times quicker, more efficient. Now, that's ready to start chopping.
Okay, so what kind of strokes when sharpening a knife and why? So what I would like the students to say in complete sentences is something about you should sharpen your knife with long, constant strokes so you can cover the whole blade. And then it'll be graded later.
It can be easily undercooked or overcooked. Here's how to do it properly. First, water in. Nice large pan to make sure the pasta.
And then, as you can see, there will be a big space, and I can't skip it. So I'm just gonna have to watch it and pay attention.
From sticking together. Bring it up to the boil. That's a rolling boil. The secret there, it stops the pasta from sticking together and it gently rolls it around. Now, this is angel pasta, nice thin pasta. Takes 3.5 to 4 minutes. So into the pan. As it hits the water, it melts, and then you turn it round. Tongs, as that starts to melt, gently twist that into the pan, bring it back up to the boil. If you're bad at timing, then set a timer. Beautiful. To test it, lift a little strand, and you can actually feel it with your fingers. It's still nice and firm. Al dente. Not a bite, not a strong bite, but just really nice and firm inside. Definitely not crunchy. And then, into a colander, drain the pasta in. A light seasoning, salt and pepper, a tablespoon of olive oil. Mix that through. That stops